Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of spices, specifically clove. You won't believe the secret uses we've uncovered for this amazing spice. We're talking next level stuff here, not just chucking it into a pumpkin pie at Christmas. This little bud packs a punch, and you're about to learn why you need it in your life like yesterday. So buckle up, you lot, and get ready to have your minds blown. Let's be honest, pain is a right royal pain in the backside, right? But before you reach for the over-the-counter stuff, listen up. Clove oil, my friends, is your new secret weapon. This stuff is like magic for toothaches. I'm talking about instant relief. Just a drop or two of this potent elixir on a cotton swab applied directly to that throbbing molar and boom! The pain disappears faster than you can say service window. But wait, there's more. Clove oil isn't a one-trick pony. Headache got you down? Muscle cramps cramping your style? Dab a bit of this miracle worker on your temples or those tight muscles and feel the tension melt away. It's like a spa day in a bottle. Listen up, you lot. Dental hygiene is not a joke, it's not a laughing matter. We're talking about your pearly whites, the ones you flash when you smile. You want them to be sparkling, not screaming for a dentist's intervention. And that's where our trusty clove comes in, like a knight in shining armor. This spice has been kicking bacterial butt since time immemorial. It's a natural antiseptic, fighting off those nasty critters that cause bad breath and gum disease. So ditch the chemical-laden mouthwashes and embrace the power of clove. A few drops of clove oil in a cup of warm water, gargle, swish, spit, and bam! You've got yourself a natural mouthwash that'll leave your dentist impressed. We've all been there. Those pesky flies buzzing around your kitchen, the ants staging a full-blown invasion. It's enough to make you want to move. But don't pack your bags just yet, because clove is here to save the day. These little buds are like kryptonite to insects. They can't stand the smell, and frankly, who can blame them? So ditch those toxic bug sprays filled with chemicals you can't pronounce and embrace the natural alternative. A few drops of clove oil in a diffuser and watch those pesky critters scarper. You can even make your own bug spray with clove oil, water and a bit of witch hazel. Your home will smell divine and those six-legged invaders will be running for the hills. We've all been there. That uncomfortable, bloated feeling after a meal, it's enough to make you want to swear off food altogether. But before you resort to extreme measures, let me introduce you to your new best friend, clove. This little spice is a digestive powerhouse, aiding in digestion and reducing gas and bloating. It's like a soothing balm for your gut, calming things down and getting things moving. Add a pinch of ground clove to your next hearty meal or brew yourself a cup of clove tea after dinner. Your stomach will thank you for it. Alright, let's talk skincare, because who doesn't want glowing, radiant skin? And no, I'm not talking about slathering on expensive creams full of chemicals you can't pronounce. I'm talking about the power of nature, the power of clove. This little spice is a skincare superhero, battling blemishes and leaving your skin looking flawless. Its antibacterial properties wage war on acne-causing bacteria, leaving your complexion clear and radiant. Mix a few drops of clove oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil and apply it to your skin after cleansing. You can even add a drop or two to your face mask for an extra boost of skin-loving goodness. There you have it, folks. 5 secret uses of clove spice that can make a big difference in your daily life. From banishing pain to sending bugs packing, this little spice is a true multitasker. So ditch the chemicals, embrace the power of nature, and welcome clove into your life with open arms. You won't regret it. And remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of spice out there just waiting to be explored. So get out there, experiment, and see what culinary delights you can create. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips.